So we had a call this morning and the gentleman had lost power to some of the bedrooms upstairs and couldn't figure out why. Now we opened the main cover plate. It's a 100 amp service, which is very good. And the meter is outside, which is also good. He does have some aluminum wiring, which is now not the best. And it does have a tendency to corrode. And he also has some wires that are doubled up. Also, the main rail is corroded, so he's having all kinds of issues. So instead of trying to figure out what the problem is, he is deciding to change the whole panel to circuit breakers, which will improve the value and also get rid of a lot of headaches. Yes, and he's got all kinds of fuses down here. He said he's been changing a fuse almost every couple of weeks and is quite annoyed with the whole system. Okay, so we removed the old fuse box and installed the new circuit breaker panel. And how do you like that? I know, you're probably wondering, how does he know where all those wires go? Well, it's actually not very difficult. Each wire, the gauge size goes according to the breaker size. And I'll show you how it looks when it's all done. Everything actually worked out beautifully. There's a new panel with the circuit breakers. Quite often, when you replace a panel, the wires are too short and you have to put extension boxes. I hardly ever like doing that because it's like a dam. The more cuts or the more stops you have, the weaker the electricity and the higher percentage of something going wrong. So if you take a look, it's all tied off nicely with the main being right here. It says main, and everything worked out beautifully. And all the problems he thought he had before don't exist anymore because there were issues inside the panel.